Welcome to Rejuv Wellness. At Rejuv, we're really keen and passionate about supporting you holistically and moving you through a wellness journey so that we can equip you and empower you to move through your journey. No one can do your journey for you, but we can equip you with everything you need to get up and over your mountain and shift into optimum health. At Rejuv, we always look at you holistically from 7 angles or 7 pillars, from your sleep, your nutrition, supplementation, your movement, mindfulness, really key to get your mind and body on the same page, as well as environmental health, your toxic load, as well as body balance. You have to keep your scaffolding or your structure in balance as well so that organs have enough space to actually work. And at Rejuv, we're not after short-term results. I've had my own health challenges, moved through eating disorders and successfully breast cancer with no surgery, no other treatment other than natural therapies. So we understand pain, we understand suffering, we understand, particularly with our orthopedic department, physical pain as well as emotional pain and disease, and that just means being out of balance. We understand that it's not fun and it's horrible, in fact, to be stuck on that vicious cycle and not being able to shift into optimum health. So we're committed to the journey. All the practitioners, including myself and my husband and I, who founded Rejuv Wellness, have had our own seasons of health problems and health struggles. So we obviously done the university, and all of our practitioners are fully registered and with over 20 years of experience each, but we've all gone through our own journey. I think that's really helps make us a better practitioner, so we understand the journey as well as the science behind that to make you well. And the goal is to get shift you into the best version of you so you can get well and stay well.